guys, welcome back to another video here on Abby's Space. If you're new here, my name is Abigail. Welcome. If you're an OG here, welcome back home. Okay, so my name is Abigail, but you can call me Abby. If you're new here, please subscribe, comment after this video. If you like this video, which I know you're going to like, please give this video a thumbs up. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and let's just get right into this video. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about hair regimen, hair routine. They're all the same thing. So basically, your hair is supposed to have a hair routine, or you are supposed to have a routine for your hair. It's just like taking care of your skin. Okay, so you bathe with a particular kind of soap, you put on a particular kind of lotion, and then for your face you start with a cleanser, go in with a toner, then go in with a serum, then some oils, some moisturizers here and there. So everybody has different skincare routines. Some people have minimal, some people have a lot of things that they do, just depending on your skin condition. So likewise, depending on your hair condition, you're supposed to have a certain routine set out for your hair that you follow, follow like every 2 weeks or every month, or just depending on how long you carry your protective style or what is convenient for you. So personally, I do wash these every 2 weeks. Then when I'm carrying a protective style, I do it at the end of the month. I carry my protective styles for a month. The highest I've carried it for is 6 weeks, and 6 weeks is because I'm carrying cornrows or I'm carrying twists. But if I'm carrying braids, or I'm carrying kinky, or I'm carrying any extension at all, I'm going to carry it for just 1 month, and that's it. I'm washing my hair, I'm deep conditioning, I'm doing all of that you're supposed to do during wash day. So basically, a hair care routine comprises of pre-poo, shampoo, deep condition. After deep conditioning, there's usually tea rinse, and then moisturize. So before deep condition, you depending on your hair condition, I'll say that again, depending on your hair condition, you might decide to do a protein treatment. So there are some people that do protein treatment every month, once a month or once in 2 months, depending on what your hair needs or how your hair feels. Okay, so me, I do my protein treatment once in 2 months because my hair doesn't need it as much. I am high porosity, so my hair needs protein treatment from time to time. Okay, so I do mine once in 2 months. Then there are other people who do theirs every month. It just depends on what your hair needs. So what I'm trying to say is that you have to be sure, you have to listen to your hair, you have to be intentional about taking care of your hair. It will help you know, is this what my hair needs, is this what my hair doesn't need? Okay, so that you can know what you're putting into your hair, whether it's really what it needs at the time. Okay, so tea rinse is also optional, but I like to do a tea rinse because it reduces shedding, it reduces breakage and split ends, and it also strengthens your strands. So we're going to come into all of these one after the other. This video is going to be very long, so I'm going to split it in parts. I'm going to I don't know what's up with my tongue today. I'm going to split it in parts, okay, so that it will make it easier for those of you who are watching, okay, so that you won't get bored along the way, because all the details I'm going to be giving out are going to be very important. So today we're going to start with pre-poo. Okay, so if you see me looking down, I'm looking down at my at my write-up because I'll not be able to remember everything. Okay, so today we're going to be starting with pre-poo. Okay, first of all, what is pre-poo? Pre-poo just stands for pre-shampoo. Basically means preparing your hair before you shampoo. So many people don't know about this step. Many people don't incorporate this step even if they've heard of it. Many people don't like to do this step because they feel that it's going to lengthen the time that they use to wash their hair. Because many people don't really like washing, like they don't really like, not that they don't like washing their hair, but they don't really like wash days, you understand? Because they feel like it's going to take time. But then you don't necessarily have to wash your hair yourself. You can ask someone to help you, your sibling or a friend, or you can as well go to the salon to get your hair washed. Okay, take out that day, wash your hair, take care of yourself, do your nails, paint them, fix them, do whatever you want, do facials, do spa. Just take out that day for yourself. I'm not saying every wash day should be a spa day, but every wash day should be self-care, please. Okay, that's just coming from me. That's me. Every wash day is self-care. I do most of the things that I want to do, like facials on wash day, because I have time. It's usually during the weekend. It's either on a Saturday or on a Sunday. If you're in Nigeria, Monday is sit at home in some places, mostly the eastern part of Nigeria. So most people can use Mondays as a free day to do whatever you want to do. So it just depends on your schedule. It depends on the kind of person you are generally. Okay, so just take your time and choose what day is good for you. Do you like doing it every 2 weeks? Do you like it every week? Do you like it on a Monday, on a Wednesday, on a Thursday? Do you like it on Saturdays? Do you want to wash your hair on Sundays? It's you that will know which is better for you. Okay, so moving on. Pre-poo is the process of applying a treatment to your hair before the actual shampoo process. Okay, so basically it's just treating your hair using either shea butter, oils, conditioners, hair mask to treat your hair before shampooing it. So when you apply this pre-poo to your hair, you keep it covered for 30 minutes to an hour. Depends on the time you have at hand. So for one thing, I use oils on my hair. I'm not really a fan of using conditioners or hair masks as a pre-poo. I prefer to do it as a treatment after my shampoo and not before my shampoo. So I don't know if that makes sense. So as a treatment after my shampoo and not before my shampoo. So oils just work very well for my hair. So because our hair is very fragile and can break off easily, pre-pooing is very important. It's a very important step for you to incorporate into your hair care regimen. So why is pre-poo very beneficial for women of color and for just everyone in general? Pre-poo adds moisture, luster and shine back to your hair. So when your hair is all dry and crunchy from taking down a protective style or from just being out there, you know, under the sun or under whatever harsh weather that you might be experiencing wherever you are, your hair needs to be revived, needs to come back to life. Pre-poo does that for your hair. Then when your hair gets dry from styling, gets dry from heat and loses all the moisture in it, pre-poo brings back that lost moisture, brings back that sheen to your hair. It's very important for you to add pre-poo to your hair regimen. Moving on to another major benefit of pre-poo, it preserves your scalp's natural oil. So yeah, that one I experienced and noticed it on my own hair. Excuse me. So when I pre-poo, I noticed that my hair is my scalp rather is usually not dry. Before I started adding pre-poo to my hair care regimen, my scalp is usually dry, and it was because I was using the wrong kind of shampoo, which is a shampoo that contains sulfate and paraben. But when I started using black soap shampoo, which I formulated by myself through research and other guides, I was able to find out that using a moisturizing cleansing shampoo is better off than using a shampoo that contains sulfates, because those harsh shampoos strip off the natural oils that are on your scalp. Okay, they strip it off and then your scalp becomes dry and itchy. So you need a pre-poo treatment in order to bring back or preserve those natural oils that come out of your scalp and that are on your hair. Okay, because when your scalp is dry, it's left exposed and your follicles are also, you know, exposed, which is not good for hair growth. Definitely not. So think about adding pre-poo as a regimen or as part of your hair care regimen. Pre-poo allows for easy detangling process. That's very true. Whenever you pre-poo your hair, like for me, using my experience, I usually pre-poo my hair a day before my wash day. So if I'm going to wash my hair on a Saturday, I pre-poo on Friday night. So I just warm up my oil and I apply it generously all over my hair and my scalp, and I cover it and I sleep with it overnight. Okay, then tomorrow I would wash my hair. My hair is just so soft in the morning, like, you know, it's drenched with oil, it has slept with the oil, it has absorbed all the nutrients, all that goodness. Ah, God, your hair will just feel so good at that moment. Even after washing your hair will still be bouncy. It will just be soft like cotton, like cotton wool. It will just be that fluffy. That's just how your hair is going to feel at the end of the day, and that's what you want. That's what your hair needs. That's ah, you just need to try it for you to see it, for you to experience it, for you to know the will I say hair care benefits. Yeah, hair care benefits for your hair. Pre-poo improves your hair texture and overall appearance. So if you're struggling with dull, dry hair, pre-poo helps to improve the appearance of your hair. It adds luster and sheen to your hair. So moving on, when can I use what can I use to pre-poo my hair? Sorry, what can I use to pre-poo my hair? Okay, so I had three girls ask me in my DM what they can use to pre-poo their hair. So you can use shea butter, you can use yogurt, you can use oils, you can use a hair mask, either store-bought or homemade. You can use a conditioner, also conditioner treatment also for your pre-poo. But then when it comes to using all those other things that I just mentioned, aside from the oil, you it is advised not to sleep overnight with those conditioners or hair masks. Please, it's going to cause hydral fatigue and other things that you don't want your hair to experience. So do not sleep with your conditioner, do not sleep with your hair mask, do not sleep with yogurt overnight on your hair. You can only sleep with oils overnight on your hair. But then when you apply a conditioner, a hair mask, a conditioner treatment, or yogurt on your hair, or whatever pre-poo treatment it is you want to use, please do not sleep overnight with it. Carry it for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 1 hour max. When you're done carrying it for this amount of minutes or an hour, then you would wash it off and with a shampoo, then move on to your deep conditioning process. Okay, so it's just best that if you know you're going to use a conditioner or something that is not oil or oils, please just do your pre-poo on your wash day. But if you are going to do a if you're going to use oils, you can decide to do it on your wash day or the day before, just like I do. It all depends on what is convenient for you. Okay, so moving on, how to pre-poo. So pre-poo, it's a very simple step to do. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my own pre-poo, or how I do it for my mom or my sister, in another video, probably after this one, or the one, or there will be one that will come before that one. I don't know which one is going to come up first, but there will be a video on how to do a proper pre-poo. Okay, so basically it's just, you'll be needing some essential tools: a rat tail comb. English is hard. A rat tail comb. Okay, a rat tail comb to part your hair in sections. You'll be needing scrunchies, not rubber band, please. If you've been using rubber band on your hair, stop it. Please use a scrunchie. Use a scrunchie. Okay, don't use rubber band on your hair. That's not nice. It enhances breakage, and that's not what we want. We're going for the healthy kind of hair. Okay, we're going for the healthy kind of hair. So if you want your hair to be healthy, please stop using rubber bands on your hair. Okay, use scrunchies. So a scrunchie, a rat tail comb, a spray bottle, and then whatever pre-poo treatment you're using, if it's the oil, if it's the conditioner treatment or hair mask, whatever it is, then you would also bring it. So all you have to do is spray water on your hair. Make sure your hair is damp. You don't want it to be soaking wet or dripping wet. Just allow it to be damp and hydrated. Then you apply the pre-poo treatment. If it's an oil, make sure your oil is warm. Okay, warm it up in a bowl of hot water, hot to medium to hot water. Just make sure your oil is warm, then apply generously all over your hair, like as if you're applying a relaxer or a deep conditioner. And then you can cover your hair with a plastic cap. If you don't have plastic cap, use waterproof. If you don't have waterproof, use shower cap. If you don't have shower cap, use a heat cap. You must have one of the the things I just mentioned. What I do is I use waterproof, I use plastic cap, I use shower cap, I use whatever is available at the moment, but I just make sure that I cover my hair properly so that I won't have oil soaking on my pillow at night. So what I usually do is I use a plastic cap. On days when I run out of plastic caps, I just use waterproof. Then I put shower cap on top of the waterproof. Then I put my bonnet on top of my shower cap. So that's three things, okay, to cover up and make sure that my hair is protected, my pillow is not soaked in the morning, and my hair is good to go. Okay, so these are just all the things that you need. Nothing serious. Just apply it on your hair, cover it, and stay for as long as you have time for. Okay, so in conclusion, all you have to do is just add this pre-poo treatment to your hair care regimen. Okay, I do mine before my wash day, so you can choose to do yours on your wash day or before your wash day. So you should add pre-poo to your hair care regimen. Okay, pre-poo just means pre-shampoo, preparing your hair before the shampoo. I already gave you guys the benefits. It adds moisture, it adds luster, it improves the appearance of your hair. If your hair is dull and dry and crunchy, you need pre-poo. You need pre-poo. So choose what works best for you. Is it conditioners? Is it oils? You have to try it out. Is it hair mask? Is it yogurt? Is it honey? It just depends on what you want. Try it out and know what works for your hair. Listen to your hair. That's very important. Listen to what your hair is telling you. Don't just do it because Abby is doing it or somebody else is doing it. Do it because this is what your hair wants. This is what your hair needs. This is what helps your hair thrive. Oils are what works for me, and I tell people, if it works for you, go ahead. If it doesn't work for you, then do something else. Okay, so moving on, you can do a homemade pre-poo treatment by yourself as well. You don't have to wait, so you can just do whatever works for you. Okay, so guys, we have come to the end of the video. If you learned one or two things, give me a like on this video, please. If you have any more questions on pre-pooing, leave it in the comment section below and I'll try to answer your questions. In my next video, it will either be me showing you guys how to pre-poo or me telling you the next step after pre-poo in your hair care regimen, which is shampooing. How to shampoo, what type of shampoos to use, is shampooing important, should I use a normal liquid shampoo or should I use shampooing bars? All of those questions will be answered in my next video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, give it a comment below, share this video, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.